So in this Google Docs tutorial, I will be showing you guys how to insert charts from Google Sheets here on Google Docs. So if I were to go ahead and type in Google Sheets chart right here, and you wanted to actually link and insert a chart from Google Sheets, it's pretty simple. Go to the top left, press Insert, then go down to where it says Chart, and right down below right here it says From Sheets, go ahead and select this option. It'll then bring you to this page right here where you can go ahead and select a spreadsheet of your choice. So for this example, if I wanted to go ahead and select this one right here, I can then go ahead and select insert like this. You can also check your shared with me drive as well as search the URL, but I'm just going to go ahead and press search right here. There's no chart for me to insert, so if you were to go ahead and press import right there, it'll work. But once again, if you were to go to insert chart from sheets right here, it'll bring up your sheets where you can go ahead and find a chart, press on it, insert, and it'll insert into docs here. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how you guys can insert a chart from Google Sheets here on Google Docs. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.